Hi, Damien from LeakDtech here. I just wanted to take some time out and speak to you about one very common problem we have with our clients, which is the car park slab leaks or boundary wall leaks. We have a lot of clients that come to us because cars are being damaged in the car park, and we specialize in isolating the location of all these leaks through an inspection. If you are having leaks such as this on site, normally the leaks are coming down through either a riser, which terminates in the slab, or it could be from corings where the drainage lines are coming down through into the car park through the roof slab. We would advise you just to look at the sources directly above these leak points, and then go and investigate whether there's anything obvious that's causing the water to collect and then drip down into the car park below. This is our normal approach, but we obviously are able to test those areas directly above the leaks and show you exactly where the leak is. The second problem in the car parks are the boundary walls. In most cases, the boundary walls have water ingress from groundwater. We can help our clients by identifying where to do the epoxy injection and save them tens of thousands of dirhams in costs. In both cases, whether it's the boundary wall or the roof slab, we help our clients by providing what we call a heat map. That heat map would show customers exactly where the problems are, graded into 4 levels of severity, and in all cases it allows them to focus on the worst problems first and get the problem solved. We'll speak again. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.